Hello friends, I'm excited for you for the summer math packet. The nice thing is it's going to give you an opportunity to just keep your skills sharp as you enter 5th grade. And it'll also be a nice opportunity for you to just play around with numbers and just think of different ways you can solve problems. The first week one is very focused on multiplication. So days 1 and 2, you're going to see multiplication problems. Day 1 is just going to be straight problems that you want to solve. Day 2 is going to be word problems. Day 3 is actually going to be shown to you as a diamond page. And so there's a problem in the middle. And then from that problem, it gives you 4 categories. It says solve using one strategy, solve using another strategy. It asks you to create a word problem for it, and it asks you to create a visual model. In other words, what's a picture that could represent the way to solve it. There's multiple ways you can do it, but again, it just gets you thinking critically and creatively about how numbers work. And that's how diamond paper works. So let's think about multiplication though. So you could, if somebody gave you 24 groups of 15, and we use partial products. Partial products, you're deciding, do you want to break up the 24 or the 15? I personally really enjoy working with friendly tens. So I'm going to make 15 into 10 plus 5. So I have 24 tens, and I'm going to add that to my 24 fives. 24 tens, well, 24 groups of 10, 240. Now, 24 fives, maybe you know it, that it's 120, or maybe you're like, I'm not sure. Well, what's 5 20s? 100. What's 5 4s? 20. So that'd be 120. Yeah, together, you're left with 360. So that's partial products. And again, there's multiple ways you can do partial products. Area model, if you did area model, you would have actually thought about it as breaking up both numbers. So you would say that, well, I know 24 is the same as 20 plus 4. 15 is the same as 10 plus 5. 20 tens, 200. 10 fours is 40. 5 20s is 100. 5 fours is 20. Again, if I add these all up, I get 360. So that's just a refresher on partial products and area model. Again, you decide which one you want to use. The goal is to have you just playing around with multiplication this week and having some fun. Remember, when you get to the diamond paper, what's happening with the diamond paper is you're in a place where you have your 4 categories. So the problem's in the middle, so let's say it was 5 times 6. It'll be a little more advanced than that, but in this first category, that's a strategy, so you're going to solve 5 times 6 one way. Over here, you're going to solve 5 times 6 another way. Down here, you're going to solve 5 times 6 as you can create a story problem. So if I had 5 bags with 6 apples in each bag, how many total apples do I have? Down here, you're going to create a visual proof. You can draw a picture. So that's how the diamond paper works. So enjoy the week. If you have any questions, feel free to send Mr. Harris an email, and I look forward to seeing you week 2.